If you just watched my unboxing of the iconic Air Jordan 1, get ready for something even more exciting. Today, I'm going to introduce you to one of the best shoe-selling websites out there, EM Sneakers. EM Sneakers is your go-to destination for top-quality, high-version replica sneakers. They offer a wide range of products, including popular brands like Air Jordan, Nike, Nike Kobe, Yeezy, Adidas, and Gucci. This website is dedicated to providing you with the best shopping experience, ensuring that every pair of sneakers meets their high standards. EM Sneakers is committed to sincerity and quality. They strive to think about their customers' needs, offering a safe, private, and convenient shopping environment. Their enthusiastic service ensures that you feel valued and cared for throughout your shopping journey. One of the standout features of EM Sneakers is their quality assurance process. Before shipping, each product undergoes a thorough inspection to ensure you receive 1:1 quality replicas. This means you get sneakers that look and feel just like the originals, giving you the best value for your money. EM Sneakers uses special materials for different series, such as Sadisa leather for Nike and Adidas sneakers, Osleer insoles, coat sewing threads, original Zoom air cushions, and original Vietnamese tongue Oxford cloth. Thanks to their strict production system, EM Sneakers has received high praise from sellers and customers alike. So, if you're looking for top-quality replica sneakers, look no further than EM Sneakers. Make sure to check out the link to their website in the description box below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the Business Promote for more great content. Happy shopping, and I'll see you in the next video.